Lakshmi Reddy Kola from Hyderabad. I'm an IT professional, work in MNC.
I'm Shrikari Nicola studying in 6th grade.
Yeah, when we were looking for a home lift for our new triplex villa, our requirement was the lift should be self-sufficient structured, and it should give a 360-degree of panoramic view, right? So those are the some of our requirements, which Nibav met those requirements perfectly. Basically, we were looking for a multiple lift vendors. So we when we were actually searching through social media, we figure out that Nibav actually provides some of provide some of our requirements. That's how we reached out Nibav. Yeah, I think our experience with Nibav has been exceptional so far across all departments, starting from marketing, sales, CRM, and installation. I think they have been very cooperative and supportive across all the phases of lift.
Plus, they completed the whole building of this lift in 1 or 2 days.
Yeah, I think Nibav lifts serves the real purpose and safety of moving between floors. Along with us, it also adds a elegance look to our house. Yeah, I think the service has been exceptional from Nibav so far. I hope they'll continue to provide a similar service going forward. I think best part of Nibav is their installation is very smooth. So they completed the entire installation process in 2 to 3 days. So that is phenomenal. So we used to hesitate to kind of go to third floor without lift. So with the help of Nibav lift, so generally we kind of navigate to first floor and second floor very easily. It makes us feel comfortable to go to different floors, and I think even for elders when they come to home, so basically they used to travel to first floor and second floor easily. Yeah, I think Nibav lifts has a great safety features, like suppose when the power failures, it automatically bring you down safely without any hiccups, right? And also you can't accidentally open the door while the lift was in the another floor. So that way it's safe for everybody. I think it adds a luxurious feel to your home.